shooting the installation video for 10602 bent spur court, the bass installation. We're going to be installing an air-cooled 24 kilowatt Kohler. This is their main panel outside on the back of the home. It is a 25 amp service. We're going to have to add a disconnect if this is not already a disconnect. The previous homeowner did have a generator that they removed and took with them. This is in the back corner of the house. So the distance on that wall is 18 inches, and the distance here is only 21 inches. The homeowner is okay if we were to go and install the transfer switch over here on the left side of the window, or over and above on the side of the house by their AC units. The electrical run, we have to run down, run through the landscaping, out into the yard if you have large trees, around the canopy, to where the generator is going to be on the side, along the side fence. We are 12 inches off the fence for the pad, the corner of the pad, and from the back fence line we will be 27 feet 7 inches to the front left of the pad. 27 feet 7 inches. The gas run, I have to run conduit along the fence line. The homeowner is getting a new fence that will be installed prior to the gas run. There's a large root system, so we'll need to stay along the fence. And if we can trench down below the walk area and then over to the gas meter. The gas meter has already been upgraded. The center point.